Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the clock style in always on display on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to change the clock style on your always on display, just change the clock style on your lock screen clock. Now to do that, just tap and hold on the empty space on your lock screen, then enter your PIN. After that, just tap on your lock screen clock, and from here you can change the font of your lock screen clock, just like that. And if you tap on style, you can change the style of your lock screen clock, just like that. Now from here, let's change the font of our lock screen clock. Now once you are satisfied with your lock screen clock style, just tap on done. Now, as you can see, this is how you can change the clock style in always on display on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.